G'day kids, Ozzie here. Now we are back for another awesome Aussie episode, and we are going to do one of my favourite things today, and I know that it's one of your favourite things too. Do you know what this is? That's right, it's a lawnmower, which means we are going to mow the lawn together. Now today kids, we're going to have some fun. We're going to mow some lines in our lawn. Have you ever watched sport on TV and seen the awesome lines and the checker patterns that go through the grass? Well, that's done by professionals. Aussie's not a professional lawnmower, but I'm going to have a crack. So we're going to see if we can use this awesome little Ryobi push mower and mow some stripes in this beautiful Aussie backyard lawn. Now the professionals, they use a special piece of equipment called a striper, and that goes on the back of the lawnmower, whether it's a push mower or a big ride-on, and that helps push the blades down to create that pattern of stripes or checkers. We don't have that today, so we're going to try a couple of little tricks, adjusting the height of our lawnmower to try and get the same effect. Do you reckon we can do it? I think we can, and I think it's going to be fun. So today we're going to use the height adjuster on our lawnmower to mow really close and then a little bit longer, and that's how we're going to get the stripes in the lawn today. So we're going to use this lever here, and that adjusts the deck height. This here is called the deck, and this is the height. So we can go all the way from number 7 all the way down to number 1. See how that's going really, really close to the ground there? Well, that lowers the deck and the blade inside it and cuts the grass really, really short. Then if we go all the way to number 7, see how that lifts that whole deck and the blade up off the grass and cuts it a whole lot longer. All right, so we've got numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. What's after 4? 5, 6, 7. Good job, kids. Numbers 1 to 7, 1 being the shortest and 7 being the longest. And let me just show you under here. There's the blade, look at that. Now we don't want to touch that with our fingers, do we? No way, because that is super sharp. But that is going to spin around really, really fast. Really, really fast. And that is going to cut the grass as it's spinning. Then what happens with the grass when it gets cut? Shoots out the back into the catch. This here, it's called the catch. So that's empty, that's ready to go. I'm going to pop that back on our lawnmower over here. And just slide that in there. And she's good to go. Now the next thing would be to start it. I'm going to pull this lever and pop this one down to start or run. But before we mow the lawn in the backyard, we need to make sure the backyard's clear. Now being an Aussie backyard, there's lots of play equipment here. So come on kids, come with me. See if you can help me lift this big piece of equipment. Now we're almost ready to start, kids. You can see, got a little lawnmower here. If you've got a lawnmower at home and you want to join Aussie as I'm mowing these stripes, then grab it out in the lounge room or wherever it is that you're watching and push along with Aussie. That's what kids usually love to do with their grown-ups, isn't it? That's heaps of fun. Okay, we've moved all the play equipment out of the way, well those that we can. That's too big. I'm gonna have to mow around that one. But we're gonna start now, safety gear on, and then we're gonna start working our way around the outside, which is also called the perimeter. Now the height we're gonna start on is number 6. I'm gonna start on number 6. Let's go. Right kids, I've just turned the lawnmower off because as you can see down here, it's starting to leave a little bit of grass behind, which tells me that that catch is already full. We've done a couple of stripes, but this grass is super long. The owner of this house has let it go for a long time, so we need to take that off. Look at that, beautiful, freshly cut grass. Nothing better in the Aussie summer than freshly cut grass. I'm going to take this down to the bin and empty it. And there you go, that's empty, ready to go back on our lawnmower. What do you reckon, kids? I think that is a job well done. That was a lot of fun mowing those stripes into our lawn today. I hope you've learnt lots about lawnmowers and how to have a bit of fun when you're mowing lawn, getting those stripes. But did you know that there's lots of different patterns as well? You can see crisscross, you can see circles, you can see all sorts of wild, crazy patterns. Kids, hope you've enjoyed today's episode. We'll see you on another Aussie episode coming up this weekend. Until then, happy lawn mowing and stay keen. If you haven't already, make sure you get a grown-up to help you hit that subscribe button. That way you won't miss out on any of the new and exciting videos that we put out. Speaking of new and exciting, if there's a video that you'd love to see Aussie do, make sure you send us a message on our socials, on Facebook or Instagram at Aussie for Kids. We'll see you again soon, kids. And until then, stay keen. Oh, and by the way, did you happen to find the hidden Aussie icon in that video? Yeah, make sure you look closely because they're in every single video. That's right. Stay keen, kids.
Aussie, 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 oi! Aussie is a friend of yours and he's a friend